Steve Core was talking about kind of the concessions they have offered there. They also have really good ice cream. Probably a good thing to munch on today.
Oh, yeah. Got to do it quickly today and tomorrow. Even quicker tomorrow if you have ice cream. Yeah. Eat quick today, eat quicker tomorrow. That's my advice on the ice cream because it's going to be a warm one, folks. We're going into an extended warm spell. Could be the longest run of 90s yet this summer. Upper 90s in some cases on Thursday. Newport right now, though. No 90s down there. At 55, you see the fog and low clouds. Very typical this time of the year, but that'll burn off this afternoon. Get some sunshine down there as well. Oregon Coast Aquarium camera. Government camp camera up there, Mount Hood territory. You see Mount Hood just below the government camp 51-degree logo there. Beautiful morning taking shape, less in the way of clouds up there. And Riverview Bank camera in downtown Vancouver. Yeah, you see the morning low clouds there as well as downtown Portland. 64 degrees, Subaru Portland camera, humidity 84%. Wind north-northwest 3 miles per hour. Those low clouds will burn off because there is nothing on the satellite and radar. Hey, if you've got a dining is basically something you want to do outdoors today. Well, it's going to be great. We'll call it pleasant in your lunch hour. Temperatures in the 70s. And then we're going into the 80s. It's getting warmer if you're dining outside today. It's going to be a warm one. Maybe get a little earlier dinner time if you're dining outside. So sunshine returns today. Heat advisory Thursday. Now that's for the Portland Metro area and the Willamette Valley, Southwest Washington as well. That kicks into effect at 11 a.m. tomorrow and runs through the day on Thursday. We'll see if the National Weather Service extends that into Friday as well. Hot temperatures, though, on Thursday especially. Temperatures between 95 and 100 both on Thursday and Friday, so stretch of warm weather on the way for sure. Day planner for today, we got the clouds out there this morning. We'll get them out of here in the 9 to 10 a.m. hour. And then mostly sunny skies will be up into the mid to upper 80s today for daytime highs. Monthly rainfall total for July. This is where we're going to end up. Today is the last day of July. 8/100ths of an inch. And that's about 4/10 of an inch below normal. We should be up around 1/2 of an inch on average in July. So it's going to go down as a dry July. It's also going to go down as the warmest July on record. I'd be very curious to see what happens with today's high temperature. We should stay above that 1985 average, and that will lock us in. Now, this is at the Portland Airport. The records there go back to 1940. And that's a combination of overnight lows and daytime highs. Boy, that heat wave in the beginning of the month really helped push those numbers up in July. Current air quality on the AQI index looking real good, actually better than it was yesterday at this time, 23. Weather pattern, Big Ridge, a high pressure building out of the desert southwest. If this was a little more right over the top of the Pacific Northwest, we would surely be in the hundreds, but it's going to stay just to the east, the center of the ridge. And that's going to keep us likely in the 90s through the weekend and not up above 100. Still really hot, though. Futurecast today, morning clouds. We burn those morning clouds off. Sunshine today. It'd be a nice sunset along the coast tonight. And just brief morning low clouds tomorrow. And then lots of sunshine going into the afternoon tomorrow. All right, look at that. No rain next 6-7 days, probably the next 10 days, in fact, as the dry weather is definitely setting in along with the heat as well. So warming up today, 87 for a high. Tomorrow, it's weather alert day here in the Coin 6 Weather Center. We'll go 98 for a high. It's that overnight low Thursday night and Friday. That would be a new record. That would be a new record. Friday, 95 is not a record, but that overnight low Friday night, still right around 70. That would be a new record. Warm overnight low. A few more clouds on Saturday, but a long spell of summer heat continues. So that's a good 6-7 days there on the 7-day forecast of temperatures up above 90.
Thanks so much, Steve. Taking a look